Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 4th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the curse of Freaky Fridays really was out in rare form today. We had a really bad day, um, and I'm a little bit discouraged and thoroughly disgusted with these markets. You can see here with the Dow opened higher, moved very nice and steady, and closed near its high. Normally, that kind of pattern should be very profitable for us, and but it wasn't at all. Things got a lot worse. We had 8 positions coming in. We were down about $9,000 on the close yesterday, and we closed that out with negative 18,000. In other words, our losses doubled. That's in spite of this gap up and everything. I uh, will tell you, I've seen these kind of markets many times before, and it's like even though the overall market appears to be moving higher, uh, in the case of the Dow today, 373 points. There's no buying enthusiasm at all. If anything goes higher, they sell it, or maybe they short it. So we have this. This is almost an optical illusion, as far as I'm concerned. This is just a terrible time to be buying stocks, and so we got burned pretty bad today. There's a good jobs report out, and I'm sure that's why they say the Dow went up like this. But in my opinion, this is a bad environment for buying stocks, and I'm not giving up on the idea of a bull market, but I think the short-term analysis for right now is telling me that these stocks have to go down again, probably take out this low, and then perhaps recover from there, and we might see a real rally that we can make money off of. But this thing that's happened from where we were yesterday on this low to where we went to close today, this has just produced nothing but losing trades for us. And my internal indicator is, hey, this is a rally in name only. It just is not going to do anything for us profit wise. So I'm disgusted, and that's why I'm saying, hey, this is Friday lived up to its reputation today for sure. I'll show you just one stock. I have my cat in my lap. She she just jumped up here and she's knocking my arm and shaking my camera and demanding my attention while I'm trying to do this video. I have animal trouble. I have a noisy bird and a affection crazed cat. She's the only one that shows any affection to me at all. Okay, so let's see. I wanted to show you this one stock. Showed this to you yesterday. This is Francisca something. Anyway, Fran, F-R-A-N. We bought this yesterday with about 3 hours to go. It closed pretty nicely there. We had a couple $1,000 profit on the close. It jumps up this morning shortly after the open, and probably at the very top of that first bar, we're up about $3,000 on Fran, and then it just collapses from there, and we end up selling this thing at near the low of the day, and that went from positive $3,000 to negative 1,500. So a 45 $100 swing there in under 45 minutes, and that was just the way the whole day went. That's how we ended up with double the losses that we had on the close yesterday. That's horrible. I'm really just totally frustrated and disgusted with the way this thing has been going. We're going on getting close to 3 weeks now of this, and it's just one day after another. Very tough to trade when this is doing this. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to try and forget about these stupid markets, but I will be back here trading on Monday regardless.